We run 3 separate programs that are actually really great for our community. So we have a senior program, a literacy program, and last but not least, our student program. Respite is very important in terms of mental health, because you're taking care of someone 24/7 and you have no break. And to be able to have a program where you can take either your parents or your child, it really has been a relief and been helpful to those that are caring for our seniors and our youth. I think one thing that is very important for the community to know is that it is free and it's open to the general public.
The word to Mien là mày nhé, to Mien là nín yếm béo nó nín cố tế pa nín béo là nín hay dầu nhung nín hay mình hay, nếu nín mà giang hồ ta này, thời gian tu quậy miền Nam như này, tiểu chia tiểu này tu hộ tế giảng lo hay nó nín cả mai phải on nhiêu, non program nó sẽ lệnh chế nhé, pun yếp quạt kiến lồng pun bùa đua Iu-Mienh dịp để bây giờ Zangc hộ để bây giờ quản quân tỉnh lại.
Coming to the youth group, for them being a younger generation, if their parents aren't really talking about mental health with them, we want them to understand that it's not something that they should be afraid of sharing, because actually talking about it helps them. Like, we kind of lift that boulder off their shoulders, that they're not the only ones out there struggling. The RPC, without it, we probably wouldn't even have programs available, because before we didn't even have a youth program until we received the RPC funding.
These services are important to me because they help pass on the Mien language onto future generations. The people here are very accepting, and it's welcome to anyone in the community that wants to learn Mien. I benefited because now I can talk with my grandparents more easily.
Our mission and goal is really to build a healthier community. With the Respite Partnership Collaborative, the tools provided us to be able to collaborate and understand how other organizations are running their programs have been very, very helpful for us and our program coordinators. And to be real honest, without the collaborative, we wouldn't have the resources to operate and run on our own.